Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Munis Mukhtar from Aesthetics Dental Implantology. I'm a consultant implantologist, periodontologist and orthodontist at my practice. Today we'll be talking about what is implant dentistry, what do we do at Aesthetics Dental Implantology Centre, and what is periodontal plastic surgery and aesthetic dentistry. These all are specialist fields basically. The question is, can a general dentist practice these all fields? Yes, to a certain extent. A general dentist who has additional qualification or additional training on either of these field can practice these with a great comfort. But on a contrary, on a specialist side, there are certain people who have special trainings on these fields and they are the best ones to actually go for. What is implant dentistry? Implant dentistry is a part of dentistry where we actually replace a missing tooth or a complete dentition with the help of titanium screws, which we call implants. Implants are in the market for last 25 to 30 years or maybe more. They have very long success rate. They have a very long history and very strong scientific backup with them. So at our clinic, we actually work replacing single tooth to the whole dentition, making full mouth rehabilitation, which includes soft tissue and hard tissue management. So from soft tissue, hard tissue management, what do you mean by soft tissue and hard tissue management? When we replace a tooth, obviously it has its bone, it has its gums, and then the crown. So basically we need to replace three parts. The first and foremost, which patients normally comes to us, is the crown. Obviously they don't have those teeth which are visible. So in order to restore those crowns in a best aesthetic way, we need to have an ideal 3D position of an implant, which can only be done if you have ideal bone. So that's what we call hard tissue. So most of the time patients comes to us, they have lack of hard tissue. That means the lack of bone. They have lost that bone with the passage of time, and they, to a certain extent, they have lost their gums. Obviously, by saying that lost their gums, it doesn't mean that there is no pink area in there, but by saying loss of gums, we need to say keratinized tissue. You can also Google search it. Keratinized tissue, God has made it to save your tooth, to give a protection. So when we replace a tooth for our patient, we actually try to replace everything from start till finish, from soft tissue, hard tissue, and a crown. So that's a complete solution we provide to our patients. On the other side, what is periodontal plastic surgery? Periodontal plastic surgery is basically a procedure. It's a plastic surgery procedure, microsurgery procedure, where we actually reproduce the gums by grafting them from one part to the other. You must have seen few patients, they have longer looking teeth, or they have teeth that have shown more yellow part, which are the roots. Basically, they need to be covered under the part of gums. So we need to replace them with the gums because they were gums who were actually protecting them. So this is what we call periodontal plastic surgery. What is aesthetic dentistry? In aesthetic dentistry, basically it's a social media world. Everything is aesthetically oriented. We all see very nicely looking teeth of all the celebrities and very nice smiles, and everybody has very nice teeth. So obviously most of these are being made. Most of them are not natural. I'm not saying all of them, but definitely most of them. So what we do in order to make them natural and ideal, there's a golden proportion made by the God, and scientifically it's been proven. So we try to harmonize your dentition with that golden proportion. So that means we actually create pink and white harmony in your mouth. So once we produce that harmony, automatically things start appealing to you. So there is nothing as such we say it's like it's a temporary thing or it's a artificial thing. It's actually we put that scientific or golden proportions in your mouth, and then you start looking aesthetically pleasing. That is all about aesthetic dentistry, periodontology, and implantology. Other than that, we offer restorative dentistry at our clinic. The strongest point what we have, whatever procedure we do at our clinic, they all are absolutely pain-free. Yeah, I really mean it, absolutely pain-free. We personally believe in pain-free dentistry. You must be surprised that how can we do it, as we are talking about, we are working on surgeries, we are talking about hard tissue grafting, we are talking about soft tissue grafting. You can actually Google search at our website and at our page. Most of the reviews given by our patients are on the pain-free dentistry, and we really promote pain-free dentistry. This is what we preach and what we pray. This is all about Aesthetics Dental Implantology Centre. Looking forward to see you. Assalamu alaikum.